So anyway, got my new horse in here. He's not, he's nervous, not standing very nicely, and what have you. I'm not going to hold too much against him today. You'll figure it out. So I'm just going to brush him out and see how he is. And I might fit that harness on him and see how he does. But I've also got pictures of this horse from the young lady that had it. When she bought him at the auction. Holy man. Unreal. She put a lot of work into this horse. Hey, you two, hey, none of that. She put a lot of work into these horses, or this horse. Yeah, I'll show you those pictures in a bit here. I'll put them on. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can get him brushed out and get him to stand. It rained there this morning. Well, it was around lunchtime. I think she brushed him out a lot. I don't have a tail brush here or a mane. I didn't bring one. But what I do, I don't use that expensive mane and tail crap. I use WD-40. Spray it all in there, and I carry on and then come back, and it brushes out really good. Look how dirty you are. Yeah, he's really good when he's getting brushed and being handled. What he'll have to learn, and this is a new environment and kind of a stupid environment, but it doesn't matter what the environment is. He's got to learn when he's tied up to just relax and stand there. Right? And he will. He's not bad. He's good. I don't know which way this goes. I'm going to say it goes this way. Let's try that. This is the brass collar. What do you figure so far? Not the best brass collar. Nice to see a little more. Would be nice to see a little more padding on that. Rings. Okay. That's not 100%, but something like that. Put some holes in here and what have you. The brass collar, right? This is obviously way too low. So when I get this set up, I might put something in here to hold this up. I'll see. But that will, that'll get him then I'm just gonna let him stand here with all this shit on him. I didn't bring a bit for the headstall. I'm just gonna go have a coffee and then he can stand here and I'll keep an eye on me. So, and I'll maybe brush Bonnie out and clean her up a bit. Anyway, that's that. Got the harness off for him. He didn't like standing very much, but he did good for the first go around. I didn't leave it on for too long. I didn't want to get too upset over the whole thing. But so I'm going to turn them out. I'm going to brush her out a little bit more. And then I'm going to turn them out and call her a day for this one. So there they are, everybody survived. He did pretty good. Yep. So I measured him, he's 36 inches. And to be considered a mini, you have to be 36 inches or shorter, if I recall. So anyway, that's that. I'm going to put those pictures on here now, and you can see how this horse looked before that lady got him. She did an amazing job with him, I think. So anyway, till next time, you guys have a good one.